I spend a third of retail, sometimes less. It's a great deal.
I think JBF is really important. I mean, obviously I've been doing it for 9 years, so I'm very committed to it, and I continuously do very well here.
Hi, my name is Tracy Panace and I organize the Just Between Friends sale in Oaks. This is the largest children's and maternity consignment sale in the entire country. We feature clothing, shoes, baby gear, toys, books, games, puzzles, you name it. If it relates to clothing or entertaining your children for the upcoming season, we have it here. The best part is, prices are 50 to 90% off retail. You will not break the bank by providing the best for your children.
And it's all in excellent shape, it's all inspected, and it's well displayed, and it just is easy.
I get name brands and I get basically what I need for the season, and then I can kind of move it along when I don't need it anymore.
Quality is really important to me. I really like the clothing or the toys to last.
New this year is Kids Fest at Just Between Friends. It's from 11 to 2 on Saturday. We'll have popular characters such as Spider-Man, also balloon art, face painting, caricatures, arts and crafts, and the best part, it's all free. Also on Saturday, it's buy 3, get 1 free book. It's a great time to stock up on your in-home library. Safety is our #1 priority. All items are carefully inspected, not only for condition and quality, but also for recalls. You can shop secondhand with a great deal of confidence at Just Between Friends. The sale is happening Thursday through Sunday. Thursday and Friday, our hours are 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., Saturday 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and Sunday is our half price sale where many items will be an additional half off from 8 to 3. Whatever you do, this is one event you cannot afford to miss. It only happens twice a year. Can't wait to see you here at the Just Between Friends sale in Oaks.